It is that time of year when looking good is very important. Career service and civic engagement are partnering together to provide business wear clothes for students.
My office, we provide that through internship opportunities, service opportunities, but if you're going to any of these things, you want to look good. So it's really important for our Troy students to represent Troy in their best shoe forward.
Many other places have done career closets, and the career services at Troy decided it was a great idea.
We've networked with a lot of career centers around the country that do this, and some of them give away clothes, which we plan to do at first. They also do rentals where they'll get new suits and rent those out, and we hope to expand ours to that point.
Some students already started asking about their outfit choices.
Students have come to us often and said, I don't know what to wear, what's a good thing to wear to this interview, to this job, or I'm running out of things to wear that I think are appropriate.
As for right now, the career closet is still closed, but Career Services still wants faculty and staff members to continue to donate clothes.
These are all gently used from professionals on campus. It might be a full suit, it might be nice slacks or a shirt or a tie, but they'll keep those items.
The career closet is located on the third floor of Bibb Graves, but will not be open until later in the spring semester. Yolanda Allen, Trojan Vision News.